Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now moving on, the next change we will be discussing is to the appearance menu. Now this is a major change that you will see once you activate the blog based theme. Now as you can see, we have already activated the 2022 theme in our WordPress 5.9 installation, and the changes to the appearance menu are quite noticeable. Now for just a second, let's just go back to WordPress 5.8 and see the appearance menu there. Now let's just click appearance. Now here you can see all of the options available, the regular options that you see available, which is the customize widgets, menus, background, theme editor, and more. When you activate a blog based theme, all of these options are replaced by the editor, which is in beta. Now this is the new site editor which has been released by WordPress for the blog based themes, and using it you will be able to design your site from scratch. You can create template parts and more. Now it is important to know here that when you will activate any of the customizer based themes such as 2021, you will see all of these options back and you will not get access to this new site editor. Now just for the sake of knowledge purpose, let's just activate the 2021 theme and see it for ourselves. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click activate, and you will see all of the regular options will come back. Okay, now you again get access to everything that you have been using, but you do not get access to the new site editor. Now when I click activate over here, all of those options are replaced by the editor. Another thing that you need to know here is that the theme file editor and the plugin file editor have been moved to the tools section when you activate the 2022 theme. Now you can see here, let's just go to tools for once, and you can see here theme file editor and plugin file editor are right at the bottom here. Now in case you want to make changes to your plugin related files or themes related files, then you will have to go to the tools in case you are using a blog based theme like 2022. For rest of the themes, the options are still going to be the same. You will find the plugin editor in the plugin option and the theme editor in the appearance menu. It is just for the blog based themes. So you have to keep in mind this difference.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.